Hi, it's Elle from BoostNote. This tutorial is about how to customize a theme. You can change the app theme, editor theme, and code block theme of the BoostNote based on your preference. Alright, let's get started. To change your theme, click Settings and Members on the sidebar. You will see the Settings modal, and there is a Theme and Preferences menu. In this menu, you can change the interface language, themes, and so on. The default application theme is this dark theme, but let's change to the light theme. As an example, I will choose 3024 day for the editor theme and IU Dark for the code block theme. Now, if you close this modal, you can see the changes. Change the themes and make BoostNote suitable for you. Thanks for watching this video, and please make sure to thumbs up if you like it or found it helpful even a bit. Let us know what kind of tutorials you want to watch in your videos, and we will post regarding that as much as we can. And last but not least, if you found anything inconvenient or good ideas to improve the product, feel free to send us issues and pull requests on GitHub. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one, and have an awesome day. Bye!